Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking people on Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Gmail app and open an email from the sender that you would like to block. On the top right of the email, there is three vertical dots buttons. You need to tap on the bottom button. Then tap Block from the menu that appears. That sender will immediately be blocked. You can unblock them again by opening an email from them and tapping Unblock Sender. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Gmail tips and tricks.